Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn off Safe Search mode on Google Chrome. If you're trying to turn off Safe Search in Google Chrome, the option is actually controlled through your Google search settings. Start by opening Chrome and searching for anything on Google. This step matters because the Safe Search controls usually appear on a results page. Once the results load, look toward the top or open the settings menu connected to your Google account. Here you'll find a Safe Search setting, which manages how explicit content appears in your search results. You'll typically see three options: filter, blur, and off. If you want to disable the restrictions completely, simply select off, and Google will start showing all relevant results without filtering explicit content. The change usually applies instantly. One thing to keep in mind is that if you're using a supervised account, a school device, or an organization managed Google account, Safe Search may be locked and you won't be able to turn it to yourself. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.